Hello to all my friends out there. So what I'm doing is I'm making really cheap meals and I'm eating my stockpile down little by little. And the good thing is when you're doing this, you don't have to spend much money. Okay, I finally found one of my little candle holders. And what I do is I buy these things. I didn't know where they were. I buy these things at a thrift store for about $1. Look how cute this one is. I know I didn't pay more than $1 worth for it. So, okay, I made some soup. And what I do is I buy this stuff at extreme markdown, like Grocery Outlet. I had this for a long time, and it makes 4 cups. So you figure each portion, depends how much you want to eat, is about 25 cents. So I probably didn't pay $1. I don't remember when I bought it. It was a while back. And so I want to have some crackers because in your stockpile, if you stockpile crackers, you're not apt to run out of bread. Somebody said they have to buy some crackers. You can find them extreme markdown. These are really good crackers. I bought for 77 cents at Grocery Outlet. I was over there today looking for some more cookies that I bought the other day, but you know, you really have to buy this stuff when it's there because, you know, a lot of people, and I should have done it myself, will buy all of them. You know, they're not going to be there when you come back. So what I need to work on is water, and I need to stockpile some milk. I need some chicken, not in my freezer. So, okay, I think I told you guys, if you were following me, I attend the Adventist church. I started attending it because the Adventists have some of the longest lifespans on the planet. So I wanted to investigate and see why. Well, for one thing, they're pretty much vegetarians. And they do eat quite a bit of peanut butter, believe it or not. I have strawberry jam and grape jam, and this is really good on crackers. And I have honey. So I bought the crackers for no more than $1. I bought the jams for no more than $1. I bought the honey $1 and the peanut butter $1. And then I have good cheese. I bought this at Grocery Outlet. You know, to get your cheese marked down, I think I bought this one at 99 cents only, not sure. And then I stockpile my freezer full of lunch meat. Because if you have a meat and cheese sandwich, you know, my cheese is still a little bit frozen. That's okay. And what I do is I set my cheese and my crackers out, and then I just eat them, you know, until it's gone. This is the best cheese. As soon as I create more space, I will pile one side of my freezer full of lunch meat and cheese, and the other side full of some kind of meat. Chicken, fish, bacon, ham. If I can get ham, you know, the price might go up. Who knows? You guys check out Mike Morales on my Twitter and check out the maps for the country. I posted some maps of the California dams and the waterways of the U.S. on my Twitter. And you can see that water that will be coming into Southern California comes straight from, looks like the Midwest, maybe the Colorado River, I'm thinking. So I will just make my meat into some little, like, sandwiches. In case I don't get around to eating all the cheese right away. And also I posted a few videos on the Orville Dam that's in around, it's just above the middle region of California. I think that's our agricultural area, not 100% sure. And then I stockpile mustard and mayo. I eat mustard and mayonnaise on my crackers. That tastes good, you guys. So, okay, if you stockpile all kinds of cheese and you stockpile lunch meat and crackers and soup, just like, pretty much like yesterday, really, what is in here? That won't do. No insects. This is live and uncut. Insects in the tea, no. That's unacceptable. You want to put the sugar in first anyway in the hot tea. So what I'm going to be doing today is I have a box, and in the box is my soup. So you're trying to create a stockpile for 3 days to a week. So I will be checking to make sure, check and see how much soup I have. The ones I buy are chicken noodle, bean with bacon, and tomato. Heavy on the tomato. This soup I made is really kind of like tomato. It smells good. I have good luck with this brand. They have this sometimes at Dollar Tree too. All right, now let's get a little bowl here. So you might be thinking that's not stockpile, that's not food storage. I eat that every day. Well, in my mind, that is your best food storage. My son is here. Can you come in? He can't hear me. Okay, and then back here, I bought marked down candy. I'm in the middle of the video. I bought these, I bought these for a quarter, 25 cents. And then eventually you always get around to eating them. And then I went to Dollar Tree and I go, wow, look at these. It's a holiday, remember, no dieting. Cheapness on the holiday, yes. Dieting, oh look, this is nice. Dieting on the holidays, no. And I had my cookies in the freezer so they don't get, oh, these are kind of like Girl Scout cookies. Yum. They're just like Girl Scout cookies. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.